Okay, so another wig review. This one's different though. I got a lot of people message me, DM me, hey, can you do a short wig like a pixie cuts? And I was like, okay. But for the people, I will do what you want. So went online, went on to Sam's Beauty, and was able to get this one from Sensational. It is the Dara Wig. Let me show you guys what it looks like up close. Yeah, so a true pixie cut. You guys, this is just basically a first impression and me trying it on. I have not even taken it out of the box. So let me open it up and see what it looks like. All right, so this is what it looks like. I'm not even gonna lie, guys, when I first took it out, it looks like a toupee. Okay, let's just get to the details. Maybe once I put it on, it'll be different. We've got one wig comb in the back. And then we've got one in the front, so they're good on the comb things. One of the reasons why I did go with this wig was because some people were saying that it is big head friendly, so that was my concern with getting a short wig is it going to be big head friendly? This one, I heard that it is. I'm actually stalling so that I don't have to try it on. Oh, okay. You know what, Alicia, just try it on. Just let me try it on real quick. The wig on. It was able to come on. This is fresh out of the box, so it's like all laid down. I'm gonna see if I can't like do something to zhuzh it up because the way that it's looking now. Let me see what I can do. Let me give you guys a full 360. We've got the front, the side, the back, and then the right side. So, nice 360. I will have to say it did go on really nice. I didn't have to like overly strain it or overly pull it to get it to fit my head. So it is big girl friendly. I was cautious because I normally just don't do short hair just because I just think my cheeks are too big. But surprisingly, this kind of elongates my face, if that makes any sense. So I do like it. It has like a curly, fluffy look up here. I don't know, it actually looks really good. Of course I'll do some more stuff. This is just basically like a first impression. But it looks really nice. Yeah, so some details on the wig is that it is heat proof. You can do up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So if you did want to add a bunch of curls or whatever, you are able to do that. It also comes in a lot of different colors. Of course, I only have 1B. But yeah, it actually looks really, for this to be my first short wig, and when I mean short, I mean like pixie cut, it actually isn't that bad. Now of course I am gonna wear it because it's a wig. The next look that I'm gonna try is maybe something that comes right here, so like a true bob, because I think that would actually be really better. I love how this elongates my face, but maybe we should try like a true bob. What do you guys think? Alright, so that's it for this week's wig try on and first impression. Like I said, if you guys want a wig for me to try on, if you're thinking about something but you're not quite sure what it looks right on you, please feel free to leave it in my comment section, or you can email me or DM me on Instagram. While you're there on YouTube, of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys next week. Bye.